Oh, this is so bad. I'm crying and everything. What's up, boys and girls? So, for today's video, I'm actually gonna try something different. I'm gonna try something called But Every Time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna react to Pewdiepie's video. If you don't know PewDiePie, who PewDiePie is.
Say what?
So what we are gonna do is we will react to PewDiePie's channel every time he makes an overdramatic zoom, which is something that, and I will use that to pick a nose hair, just one nose hair, each and every time he makes an overdramatic zoom. And then every time I sneeze, I'm gonna take a bite of a chili. And trust me, those chili are absolutely painful. So yeah, the thing that you don't know is that last week I actually missed the video. And that was because of this video. I shot this video a week ago. I cried, I sweat, I drank more than 1 liter milk. And yep, I transferred it over with the traumatizing result that I forgot to turn on the microphone. Yep, no sound for that video. And as my brother actually said, I could of course use some voiceover and create something such as this year.
Initiating launch sequence.
My mind's telling me no.
The world of men will fall.
But truth be spoken, I know you want to see a live result of what's gonna happen with sound. So as of that, I'm gonna reshoot it because I'm stupid as hell. So I've now finally switched clothes to something way more comfortable, I believe. And then I've brought with me some water. Yes, a lot of water. But I know what you're thinking. Water is not good when eating chili. I totally forgot to go down and buy milk. So I'm just gonna use water instead because that will be 10 times as painful and you'll enjoy it 10 times as much. Since I've already done this here before, I know which PewDiePie videos I should avoid. So instead we're gonna go from some of PewDiePie's original content. No, joking, not joking. We'll just find some of his truly original content, which is usually the videos about respecting women. So let's see if we can find that. Yes, his You Laugh You Lose challenge, totally original, 100%. That's not a zoom. That's not an overdramatic zoom. Okay, that was. Why on God's earth would you do that? Why on God's earth would you choose an overdramatic zoom like 3 seconds into the videos? No, 6 seconds into the videos. A Vine has less overdramatic zoom. So I have this tweezer right here, which is the one I'm gonna use to pick my nose hair. Boy, it's already ticklish. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, shakalaka. Okay, I have one now. Then 3, 2, 1. Do not sneeze. Do not sneeze. You can withstand it, Plutto. Plutto, withstand it. Withstand it.
Eyes.
For fuck's sake, why did this have to happen to me? Oh. Okay, that was just stupid. We're like, what, 1 minute into the video and we're already at the chili. The chili does not look anyway good. So I'm not sure if you fully can see this here, but it's really crumbled. It's like an old man's ball sack. Holy shit, I'm actually crying. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm crying, man. That's just insane. I would love to tell you guys about this chili, but first I'm gonna take a bite of it and then we can talk. So in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so juicy. Oi, 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 I can already feel pain. Oi, oi. Okay, so this chili is quite fairly normal chili, which is actually jalapenos. This is just some watermelon. So what I was trying to say, this chili here is this is so bad. So what I was trying to say, this chili here is some sort of jalapenos, and I went to the supermarket and asked for the most spiciest chili they had. And this was what they recommended me, and oh boy, this is just spicy on a whole new level. This is why you shouldn't let This is why you shouldn't let someone such as me eat chili, because this is how it's gonna end. Oh, my nose is running because of this here. So let me just try to see through this here. You lose. That wasn't an automatic zoom. Okay. Okay, maybe that was an automatic zoom. What was that intro even? Let's just go through that intro once again. Just see it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. And then he's talking his weird Swedish language. This is some next level claw machine or what? Okay, I have a hair. I believe I have a hair. 3, 2, 1. We're done. We did it. Whew. No sneezing this time. Let's proceed.
Oh, but Pewdiepie, you've done like a billion of these already.
We've done a billion of these people. Then stop clicking on them.
Challenge, more like try not to get this video.
That's not an okay.
Copyright flagged. Try for the
Okay, that's an automatic zoom. That's another automatic zoom. 20 seconds in and another automatic zoom. What is this video? My tongue is speechless, I would have said. I can't feel anything. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm good. I'm good to proceed.
Let's go. I'm gonna hit you guys off with one of my favorites. It's a classic. Obviously, I've seen it.
Does Samuel L. Jackson like
That's Samuel.
Yes, I do. Hentai too.
Fucking woman trying to read Japanese.
What is this? Okay, that's okay. That does count. There's an automatic zoom into Edgar. 3, 2, 1. Hoi! That hurt. Oh boy. Oh no! Oh, why did I have to sneeze once again? Oh boy. Alright, my entire body is hurting. Oh, why is that? Why is my... Well, another sneeze, and you know what that means. That means more pain to me. So in 3, 2, 1. Oi, I can... Oi, this is as juicy as well. Oi, okay. This is just nice. This is just fine. This is just stupidity on a whole new level. Okay, I'll be right back in just a second. I'm crying and everything. This is just so painful. I have some apple juice, hopefully that will help. This is just pain on a whole new level. Oh, why am I doing this? My entire body is being demolished. I'm legitimately in such a pain right now that it's unbelievable. Don't drink water. Whatever you do, if you've ever eat something such as this here, don't ever drink water. That's just worse. For you guys, I simply can't keep doing this here. My whole body is just burning. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. This was truly painful. I hope you could see that. Now you've seen me in all of my glory. If you enjoyed, then please leave a like, man. This cost me blood, sweat and tears. And will cost me more blood and sweat and tears. This is just so stupid. And don't forget, you can always leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, it will mean the world to me. I have a Patreon, go check it out. $1 a month will change my world, I guarantee that. And I will see you guys in the next one.